Welcome back to New Week. My name is Derek, and today we're going to go over some of the things that you might have missed out from last week, along with some of the new updates to the website and more. So let's get started. First and foremost, if you haven't noticed, there has been some big updates to the Genuine Apple Parts program with regards to the newest iPhone model. If you take a look at the website, you'll notice that under the Genuine Apple Parts, there was a bunch of highlighted green sections, including the iPhone Air, the 17 series, and some of the iPads as well. Those are a bunch of new parts that have been added to those models. So if you aren't yet part of the GAP program, I highly recommend you become a part of it so you have that option for your customer. Now, last week I made some fun videos, including how to replace the battery connector on an Apple Watch. Basically, all of the Apple Watches have the same connector and they get damaged occasionally. So I show the process of going through and replacing that. So if you ever run into it, you'll be able to look at that video or know how to do it from having watched it. So I highly recommend checking it out. And because I got so much feedback with regards to wanting solder work, as far as what videos would you guys like to see, I made a video showing how to replace a ZIF connector. The one that I worked on was the connector for a Joy-Con controller on a Nintendo Switch Lite. The connector was damaged, as they sometimes are by people as they try to fix them. So I show the process of repairing that. It's a quick video with a bunch of tips and tricks, so definitely check it out. And finally, I went over a power supply unit, the P3208 power supply unit, so that you guys can see the general setup, how to get it going, so that you can provide power to devices when trying to diagnose and fix motherboard issues on the iPhone series. It's a cool tool to have around, as it's designed specifically for working on smart devices like iPhones, Samsungs, etc. So check out that video if you haven't already. And let me know in the comments below if there's a particular repair that you'd like to see in a future video, or maybe there's a tool out there that I haven't yet shown how to use or reviewed. Thanks a ton for watching, and we'll see you this week for more videos.